Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in the village and I just wanted to show you how an African village garden looks like. I am in Kenya and I just want to show you how our gardens look like. We call them shambas here. In my country, we grow corn. We'll call them maize, which is British in English. So I want to show you a maize plantation, an African village. It's actually in the evening, about some minutes to 7 in the evening, so the lighting is not very good, but I want you to enjoy the look. Every time I come to the village, I really like the look of our shambas. Shamba is a garden in Swahili. So I have this maize plantation. I'm actually at my relative's home. So I want you to look at how beautiful this garden is. This maize, how beautiful they are. I've been wanting to do a photo here, some video here for the longest time. Actually, I visited this my relative's village for some time. So every time I come here, I've been telling them I would like to do a video of their garden. Just look at that. This is corn. This is one of those crops we grow in Kenya, and this one is mostly grown for staple food. Actually, Kenya's staple food comes from corn, and that is ugali. Those of you who have visited Kenya, you know Kenyan's most common meal is ugali. Ugali, we make it from corn, and I think it is famous across East Africa. But in my country, Kenya, that is our staple food. Wow, you realize when I stop, it becomes still. Now that, when I stop, when the video becomes still, now that is the exact color of the corn that we are looking at. This is corn plantation. These ones are almost starting to have the corn itself. Like for this one, you can look at this one. The corn itself is going to come from here. This is where it's starting to grow. It's going to come from here. So it is it's very close. You see that? It's going to come from here. Yeah. Don't mind my fingers. They are a bit rough. Yeah. I've always wanted to do a video here. It's amazing. It's amazing. Personally, I love farming. I live in the city, but whenever I come in the village, I love farming. I like planting trees. This is not my garden. This is a garden at a relative's place, a family member who I came to visit. I come to visit very often. Family member. So yeah, that's the corn garden. See how it looks? Amazing, huh? Yeah. I don't know whether you can see our home, but our home is beyond those trees there. I don't know whether the home can be seen well, but the home is beyond those trees, somewhere there. I'm gonna take you there sometime. But wow, do you like the corn that you're looking at? This is the commonest crop in my country. I mean, almost everyone does corn in their village. I mean, almost everyone in Kenya does corn, because this from corn is where we get our staple food as Kenyans. We get githeri, which is very common. It comes from corn. Actually, our two most staple foods are githeri and ugali. So, and both of them, they come from corn. Now, for githeri, you take the corn, you mix with beans or some other grains, then you can do vegetables and stuff and everything. Now that's not the exact color of this corn. I think I showed you the color of the corn some times ago. This when I do it like this, it's a bit bright. When it goes still, it becomes a bit, when it is a bit darker, now that's the color. I think that's kind of the color. When the camera is still, that is the color of the corn. So see how beautiful it is. So before I end this video, I want to show you where I'm spending the night tonight. Actually, I'm not spending the night at the same place where I was doing the garden. I'm spending the night at around 2-3 kilometers from that place, and I'm spending my night at an hotel. And so I just want to show you my hotel room. This is a small hotel, and so this is an hotel room in the villages of Kenya. It's not in town, so you don't expect so much. And so I think this for a village hotel room is not so bad. Tomorrow I might show you a little bit of the hotel where I'm spending the night, because I'm starting my video tomorrow here. And so be sure to watch my next video, so you may see a little bit tomorrow about this place, and actually how typically my life looks like when I visit the villages in Kenya. So let me show you. Once you come in, the first thing you find is that door right there. And after that door, okay, of course you walk in through that door. I don't like how the door looks like, I'm sorry. So the first thing you find after you enter that door, you find this door. You find this door here. That's the bathroom door. So this is how the bathroom typically looks like. Yeah, that's how the bathroom looks like. There is a towel right there. Normally, when I visit hotels, I don't like using their towels, but well, I don't have a problem with people who use them. Sometimes I reckon that you don't know how many people have spent, so I like carrying my towel, but that's just my preference. Yeah, I respect everyone's opinion and preference. So, and then of course, that's how the toilet looks like. That's how it looks like. Yeah, I don't want to show you everything in there because I was there during the day. And then that's the sink. That's how the sink looks like in a small hotel in the village in Kenya. Yeah, that's how the sink looks like. That's the mirror right there in the bathroom. And then when you walk out, the second thing you find is that mirror right there. There is that mirror right there. Actually, yeah, that's that mirror right there. So that's how it looks like. Beautiful. And then you find the TV set. And then there is some space for, maybe you can keep your bags and stuff. And there's the bin there for some trash. And then you have some space to hang your clothes right there. That's how the curtains looks like. I would want to show you outside, but it's already at night, so you wouldn't see anything. It's dark already. So there's some mosquito nets there, just in case there could be mosquitoes. Sometimes in Kenya, some areas you might find mosquitoes, but yeah, so whenever there are mosquitoes, you might find mosquito nets. But sometimes I don't really think this area has any mosquitoes. This is just in case there happens to have to be some mosquitoes. That's my bag. I just came in. That's my laptop bag. And that's how the bed looks like. That's how the bed looks like. That's the bed right there. We have something on the wall, and that light, and then we have more light here. Yeah, I don't think there is anything more to show. That's how the floor looks like. Some tiles. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So before I end this video, let me just say something. In this video, on my last videos, I've talked to you about something, and that is purpose. And in one of my last videos, I told you, purpose is the reason for which a thing is done, created, or exists. And I told you that we are all here as human beings because there is a purpose in our lives. Actually, we are alive because there is a purpose we are supposed to achieve in life. I have spent a few years of my life trying to help people find their purpose. And that began after I found my own purpose. And there is nothing as exciting that I have found in my life like after I found my purpose and then I started living my life to achieve that purpose. In future, I may tell you what that is, but I just want to encourage you before I finish this video that just spend some time and start to think about the reason why you are on this earth. Because there are people somewhere in this world who needs you to discover your purpose. Because you are discovering your purpose and beginning to achieve it has got something to do with their well-being. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch my next video tomorrow. It's going to be amazing. I'm starting my next video here, but then I'm going to show you how my day will look like in the villages of Kenya. My name is Andrew and I am in Kenya. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so that whenever I do a video, you will be notified. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video. I'll be very happy to see your comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.